Hello everyone, and I just want to say I was watching a past live stream of mine. I know, but it was like months ago, all the way back in October. But you know about that Nocturnal rain video? Yeah, I have it, which is okay, but it was basically when I was at the live stream, and it wasn't just take a look. Now, for a single frame, there seemed to be something. This could be either a compression artifact or a glitch in the camera, but it looks like a snake. You can't even see the eye and the long tail, but it could be crazy. I drew it since I am an artist, and basically this is what I am seeing. I'm gonna give it a name. The Storm Serpent. Yeah, Griff. You know. But yeah, again, I can't prove what it is.